TOI stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is the Oncology Institute stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space with 43,000 videos over 5 years documenting everything. So I have seen what's working and what's not for me. And genuinely speaking, this is like such a sick and bullish market. Because TOI beforehand, like the most recent prediction that I at least made was 3rd of April, just 3 months ago, where I looked too long. That long was simply freaking immaculate because at the time the price was very low. I mean, I'm talking levels of around $1.30. You know what I mean? I don't know why it's not loading for F's sake, but now we're 375. Come on. Okay, screw that. Looking for new tops to be made. Ideally looking to buy, but only if the price pulls down and gives me some sort of a double break. If not, it's all good, you know. Not everything's supposed to be like the best buy ever. So all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next.